Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related content, and today as you can see by the title, we're going to be creating this look. So in a recent video I said I wanted to get into more grungy looks, so that is what I tried to do today. Khaki is like one of my favorite colors to play with, and that is what I was doing today. So if you want to see how I create this look, please just keep on watching.
Tell her walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
My eyebrows are like so overgrown. I haven't done them in like 3 months. I do plan to do them soon, and if you guys want to see a video of me grooming my brows at home, let me know, because I did just order some new like razors and I'm itching to do them, but like whenever I have time. So today I'm gonna prime my face with the, if it would focus, goddamn, with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've seen so many people talking about this and I just had to cop. So yeah, it's like a moisturizer and a primer at the same time. And if you know me, you know this channel, you know I love primers that feel like moisturizers. So this just seemed like a perfect option for me to just try out. It smells so good. It smells like really citrusy and it feels really good on the skin too. So for foundation, I'm using the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Macao, and this is like my hands down favorite foundation. I love it so much. So for concealer, I'm going to be using these two. So if you've been watching from my channel for a while, you know that these are my favorite concealers. This is the Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, and I've got it in the shade SX12 and XX11, and I mixed them together. Because I've been trying out different concealers, and also I've not been doing my makeup a lot recently, I haven't used them in a while, but I miss it. I miss it so much. So yeah, I'm just going to mix those two and use it all over my face. A little bit goes a long way, and I try to avoid putting it like right underneath my eye, because then it ends up looking too much and gunky, but I always accidentally do. So yeah, this is like perfect. This might be too close, because when you blend it out it might just look a bit too much. So that is that, and because this concealer is so thick, what I like to do is I like to blend it out with a brush and then blend it out with a beauty blender. So now I'm just going to use a sponge to just blend it out. So I've gone ahead to apply the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium. Oh, I love having my edges out and being able to fully contour my forehead. Like, I love it so much. I'm just going over that with my foundation brush just to blend everything in further. One last beauty blender blend before I set with powder. So I'm using the Huda Beauty powder, Easy Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread. Yep, it's been so long that I almost forgot the name of the shade. I'm going to go ahead and set my face, the rest of my face, with the Fenty Beauty powder foundation in the shade 410. Oh god. And now I'm going to bronze with Morphe Mega Bronzer. Is it Mega Bronze? Glamabronze in the shade Phenom. Can't speak. Phenom. I just love this bronzer so much. It's like so not too dark, not too light. Just a perfect bronzer to look bronzed. Like if you want to be a bit more snatched, I'll go a bit darker. But for just bronzing, it's yummy. Just brings the colour back into your face effortlessly. And for blush, I'm going to go into Cliche by XX Revolution. I love this blush. I love it so much. So right now we're going to pause on skin and we're going to go into the exciting part, eyes. Normally I don't do anything dramatic on my eyes, but I'm feeling inspired. So I want to play around a little bit with the eyes today. And as I said earlier, my eyebrows, a mess, a complete mess. Struggling. I'm just hoping that concealer can fix this monstrosity because this looks crazy. Oh my god. Anyway, well, here goes nothing. I'm going to be using the MAC concealer, the Studio Fix concealer in NC45 to just clean up my brows. I've been thinking of getting the Nars concealer in the shade Amande for my brows, the soft matte concealer. So yeah, I'm thinking about that. What do you guys think? Do you guys have any suggestions? Should I go for it? Let me know. That looks okay. I think that is just as good as it's gonna look. So yeah, so the brows are done, they're concealed. I've done the best that I could with what I was given, okay? I have no regrets. So I've also concealed my eyes, primed my eyes with the P. Louise base. I use this all the time. I use the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 4. So today we're going to be using the Khaki Haze palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go into this shade here to start with, the khaki shade in the center, and I'm just going to place that. Oh my days, it's already going wrong. I'm going to place that in my crease. I'm going to try and wing this out a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. This looks more grey than khaki, but it is what it is. But yeah. So yeah, that is that. It looks very, very messy, but hopefully it works because I'm going to cut the crease anyway, and sometimes when you're cutting the crease you can do it a bit more messy. So I just gone into this shade here. It's like a nice light brown, well, medium brown shade, and I'm using that to just blend out the previous shade so it's not so harsh and around the edges. I should probably put something down for fallout, but YOLO. So yeah, that is the base of that look. So I think I just want to do a half cut crease. I'm really scared because I haven't done a cut crease in forever, but it is what it is. Should I zoom in? Yeah. So I think that is what the cut crease shape is gonna be like. Yeah. I'm really struggling with this cut crease. I haven't cut my crease in ages, and I have a tendency of like going higher than I need to. So I'm trying not to do that for this look, but it's also very difficult. But anyway, I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. So for some reason, doing this eye was like way easier for me. Super weird, but I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna go into the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette, and I'm gonna pick this shade to set the lid. I originally wasn't gonna set the lid, but usually when I do this and I don't set the lid, it all crumbles up and it looks gross. So I'm gonna try setting the lid today and see what it looks like. Very pretty. Back into the Khaki Haze palette. Oh, I actually had a shade in here that I could have used to set the lid. Oh well, this shade here. It's like a pinky shade. I hit pan on that shade. I don't know why it didn't occur to me. But anyway. So I'm going to go into this dark shade here, and I'm going to use it to smoke out the edges. I don't want this look to be really smoky, but this shadow isn't giving me the depth I want. I might have to go into a black from another palette. So yeah, there's not a lot of, I don't know, depth here. I'm gonna put on the shimmer shade and see how I feel, if I want to add a black or not. But yeah, I'm gonna go into this shade here, this beautiful khaki shimmer, and I'm just gonna put that on the edges and blend that softly inwards, but not like really inwards, just softly. So I'm very happy with the way it looks. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I really like it. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to repeat those same colors on the lower lash line and get it popping. So I'm just going to line my eyes, put some mascara on, and put my lashes on off camera, and I'll be right back. So I have my lashes on and everything, and I'm in love. Like, it's looking so good. I haven't done like a cut crease or anything, just dramatic or a little bit more creative in a while. So I'm happy with the way this is going, and I just want to finish it off. So what next? I'm kind of like on the fence about whether I should do an inner corner or not, but we're here now, so we're doing one. So I'm just gonna go into this shade here. This is like a light green. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And now to set my face, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte's Tilbury Airbrushed Flawless Setting Spray. And usually I would pair this with my Revolution Super Dewy Spray. But because this look is a bit more grungy, I don't want it to be too dewy. So we're just going to go in with this. Ooh, that setting spray definitely made my hair curl back up. Oh well. And for highlighter, I'm going to go into Radiowave by XX Revolution. So for the lips, I'm going to go in with Chestnut Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with Kinkster by MAC. I love pairing this lipstick with like khaki looks, so I just feel like it looks perfect with them. It has like almost like an olive undertone, so it's perfect. And then I'm going to gloss it up with Hydra by Revolution. And this is like a clear lip gloss, but it's gone all gooky now. It's a very beautiful clear lip gloss, like one swipe, look at that, super reflective. So this is the finished look. So I'm just gonna zhuzh my hair up and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and it just feels really good to like get into makeup again and just play with my face and just do a little bit of something. But yeah, this is it. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions, and I would love to discuss with you in the comment box. So I hope you're subscribed, and I'll love to see you next one.